Welcome students of class 8. I am Varsha ma'am, your science expert, and today we will be continuing our video 2 of chapter 13 microorganisms. In the previous topic, the first thing that we discussed were the two terms, that is microorganisms and microbiology. So, microorganisms are the living organisms which cannot be seen with the naked eye but can be seen only by microscope. For example, fungi and bacteria. So these are microorganisms. Then we discussed the next term, which was microbiology. It means that it is the study of microorganisms. Then the next topic we discussed was an activity. The aim of this activity is to observe the bread mold under the microscope. For this, we need to take a rotten bread and then we need to apply a methylene solution on it and then keep it for rest. After some time, we observe that there is a colorful growth on the bread made of connected thread structures called hyphae. So this green color is actually a fungi which has made a colony started from a single spore. So this formation of colony is known as the bread mold. Then we discussed the term microscope. So it is an instrument which is used to see objects that are too small to be seen by the naked eye. The first compound microscope was created by Zakarian Janssen in 1519 and the first microscopic bacteria was observed by Anton van Leeuwenhoek. And the next topic we discussed was the basic steps that we should follow while using the microscope. So, in today's topic, we are going to start with types of microorganisms. So, the types of microorganisms are algae, bacteria, fungi, protozoa, and viruses. The first microorganism that we are going to discuss in detail is bacteria. Bacteria are unicellular organisms. Unicellular means single-celled. They are also considered as prokaryotic. Prokaryotic means that it does not have any defined nucleus. Bacteria can be found everywhere, on the earth's surface, inside the water, in the air, or in the living bodies. Now next comes the bacteria cell anatomy. Anatomy means internal workings. So bacteria has various parts inside it. So the first is the cell wall. So this is the cell wall and cell wall is a stiff layer that protects the cell. Then comes the capsule. So this layer helps the cell to attach onto the surface. Then comes the flagellum. So flagellum is a tail-like structure that allows the cell to move. Then is the DNA. DNA is also known as the nucleoid. So nucleoid or the DNA is the genetic material that stores information about the cell. The full form of DNA is deoxyribonucleic acid. And then is the cell membrane. So a cell membrane is a layer that controls the type of substances moving in and out of the cell. So this was all about the bacteria cell anatomy. Next is the shapes of bacteria. So the first shape of bacteria is the coccus shaped. So these are spherical shaped bacteria. The other types of coccus are streptococci, tetrad, Sarcina, etc. So, the next shape of bacteria is the bacillus. They are roll-shaped bacteria. For example, the spore farmer or the chain of bacilli. So, the next shape is the spirillum-shaped bacteria. These are spirally twisted. For example, streptocates. Then the next shape of bacteria is the vibrio. So vibrio are coma-like curved shaped bacteria. It is also known as vibrio cholerae. So this was all about the shapes of bacteria. Now the next type of microorganism that we are going to discuss is the fungi. So, fungi are either unicellular or multicellular organisms. Some of them are microscopic while
Then
some are macroscopic.
the next shape
they do not
is the
have chlorophyll,
bacillus shape.
and so they
These
can be
are
also
rod-shaped
invisible.
bacteria. For
Example
example,
of fungi
the spore
are
farmer
fungi,
or the chain
penicillium,
of bacilli.
and small mushroom toadstools.
Then is
Now, the next
spirulum,
topic
which are
we are
spirally
going to
twisted
discuss is the
bacteria.
algae.
For
So,
example,
algae are the group of
spirochetes.
unicellular plant-like
Then
organisms
the next
that
shape
contain
of bacteria
chlorophyll.
is the
They live in large colonies
Vibrio
and they live in
which
water.
is coma-like curve in
examples of
shape.
algae are Spirogyra
It
and
is also known as Vibrio
Chlamydomonas.
chloride.
So this was all about
the
today's topic.
shapes of
So these are
bacteria.
your in-between questions. Learn and copy down in your notebooks. Stay home, stay safe and keep learning. Thank you.